WordPress is one of the most popular website platforms, widely used in South Africa for its flexibility and ease of use. However, its popularity makes it a common target for hackers. If your website has been hacked, don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to fix your site and prevent future attacks. First, you need to confirm whether your website has been compromised. Here are the common signs. Your homepage displays unauthorized content. Visitors are redirected to malicious sites. Unexpected pop-ups or ads appear. Your website's performance is unusually slow. You can't log in or new admin accounts show up. Google flags your site as unsafe. Or you find unfamiliar plugins or files. Now let's fix the issue step by step. Take your website offline. Put it in maintenance mode to prevent further damage. Scan for malware. Use tools like Wordfence or Sucuri to identify infected files. Backup your website. Even if hacked, a backup is essential. Identify the breach. Look for unfamiliar files, users, or database changes. Remove malware. Use security tools or manually delete infected files. Reinstall WordPress core files. Download fresh WordPress files and replace the core ones, excluding your content directory. Restore from a clean backup. If available, restore a backup and update all plugins and themes. Change all passwords. Admin, FTP, and database passwords must be updated. Update plugins and themes. Delete unused ones and ensure everything is current. Harden security. Use plugins like Wordfence and enable a firewall. Prevention is key. Here's how to secure your website. Use a reliable hosting provider like Snelo or AfriHost. Always update your WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Install an SSL certificate to encrypt data. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Limit login attempts to block brute force attacks. Schedule regular backups using tools like UpdraftPlus. Conduct periodic security audits. If the damage is too severe or you're unsure, it's best to consult professionals. South African agencies like UltraWebSA specialize in WordPress maintenance and security. They can quickly clean up your website, identify vulnerabilities, and implement robust security measures. A hacked website can be daunting, but it's not the end. By following these steps and adopting strong security practices, you can protect your online presence. For expert help, contact UltraWebSA at info@ultrawebsa.co.za or visit www.ultrawebsa.co.za. Your website deserves the best care.